Welcome. This assignment is for a topic EDUC 3625. This assignment aims to improve the outcomes for a Year 7 student as outlined in the Australian curriculum. However, it is also for my professional knowledge on statistics and mathematics. The data that I've collected was from the Australian Bureau of Statistics, Census at my school 2014. When looking at the stem and leaf plots, it seems like the Year 8s are more evenly distributed. However, that is not the case when you look at the mean, median and mode. Based on the mean, median, mode and range, the Year 7s play more hours of sport than the Year 8s. The double column graphs present really well, particularly for specific groups such as groups of girls and groups of boys. Although the column graphs present specific groups very well, they do not represent Year 7 boys and girls compared to Year 8 boys and girls well. The sector graph was the most difficult out of all the graphs and tables to construct. Therefore, I used the average or the mean to construct this graph. The dot plots are one of the easiest graphs to construct. However, they do not use ICT as I constructed these by hand. The Year 8 dot plot shows that the hours spent by Year 8 is evenly distributed. However, on average, they do not participate in more hours of sport. I decided to construct a frequency table as I thought that the data would become a lot clearer if it was laid out from the beginning, say 0 hours, right down to 40 hours. The answer to my question, yes, Year 7s do participate in more hours of sport. This is backed up with the results from the mean, median, mode and range table and the dot plots, which both presented the data very well. Yes, this task can be applied to everyday life. As a student, they can record how many hours of sport activities they play in a week. They can collect their results, form graphs and analyse their results and compare it to other students. This can be part of a health education unit and a maths unit. I would caution students using double column graphs as they can be misleading, particularly if you're only using certain types of data or groups such as boys and girls, whereas mine was looking at the year levels and the boys and girls. Also, sector graphs can be quite difficult to use, I found.